Alright, so this part is done for the first floor plan. Now we are working on the second floor plan, or second level plan. So I'm going to go ahead and Command S, Command Shift S, and we'll call this the second floor plan. And there we go. So it looks like this. I'm on page 4-19. This does not exist. This does not exist. And we probably have to figure something out here. So you may have not seen this yet. This is called join. And you just click here, click there, spacebar, done. Same thing over here. And let's do a fillet. Here. Change this to second floor plan, and let's move this way. Let's go ahead and delete that. We got some dimensions that we already have. Looks like there's a rectangle that's 2/8 by 3/8, so D. I'll take that back 3'4". Alright. Now, there's tons of ways to do this. And I'm going to choose to do it like this. So, I'm going to go ahead and move this from here, 10'8". And then move it again, from here to here. And that's that. That's really that simple. Just trim that and voila. 4-19 is complete. And then we have this on page 4-20. We'll go ahead and get into creating second floor plan. So it looks like there's 2 rooms here, equal distance. And basically what I want to do, I'm starting out here because the snaps tend to want to get in the way. I could just delete that. And so here, and I'm just stretching this out because these are construction lines. Alright, equidistant, and it looks like it doesn't look like there is a dimension from this thing to here. So I might have to start up on top. And that's okay. So I'm just going to copy this 4.5. Oh, why is it doing feet? There we go. 4.5. There we go. And I'm just going to move this down from this midpoint down to this midpoint. I'm just going to leave it there. We'll get to that in a bit. Alright, so it looks like 8 feet 5 inches from here. We're going to start here at the top. So off foot 8 feet 5.5. There we go. And then offset 4.5. That's funny because I did not type in feet. 4.5. Offset 4.5. There we go. Go ahead and trim this. And now this is 7 feet 4.5 inches, so my offset from here down, and then offset 9 feet 8 and 7/8. Offset 4.5. There we go. And just so we're clear, don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. There we go. Looks like this is 16.2. From the outside, offset 16 feet 2 inches. And then offset 4.5. There we go. Extend. And looks like this comes out to here. Offset 4.5. There we go. Trim. And this goes away. This goes away. Fillet. Trim. Alright, and now offset 7 foot 5.5. Enter. And then offset 4.5. So I stretch that all the way out. Extend. Fillet. Fillet. And there we have that. This is trimmed. And let's trim that. So we'll offset 12 foot 1.5, and that is from the outside here to here, and then offset 4.5. There you have that. And this right here offset 12 foot 1.5. There we go. And then offset 4.5. And then line. Actually, I could probably just stretch this one. Here, offset 4.5. Trim that. Trim that. And then offset 2 foot 9. This to here, and then offset 4.5. Extend. There we go. And if you hold shift, you can trim. So I'm just going to draw a line from here to here. And let's trim. And let's see, instead of trim, we'll do this. Probably be much easier. We could trim this. Then this gets moved straight up to here. And then that's an extra line. I don't want that, so I'm going to delete that. Trim. There we go. Oh, this trim did not need to take place. Fact, join. There we go. Trim. Join. There we go. And it looks like this goes all the way down to the closet. So I was briefly mistaken. Alright. Trim. There we go. Extend. Ooh, that's the wrong one. Oh, right here. From the outside to the inside. So offset 5 foot 11.5. There we go. This is the one. So offset 4.5. Alright, trim. This one goes all the way down to the closet, so zoom in. Let's clean this up. This does not need to be there. There we go. Join. Perfect. Oop. Trim. Just gonna go around. And there you have it. So that does work out. Oh. Delete this and trim. Get that out of there, that out of there. And there you have it, second floor plan. On page 2 or 420. Alright. So I'm going to make another video on how to add doors and add windows. So we'll go ahead and just stop right there and get into that.